Guys, can you guess what it is already? No, I'm just going to tell you. Yes, guys, we are here today with a Jamaican Escovitch fish. You guys have been requesting this a lot, and here it is. So here we have our carrots, Scotch bonnet pepper, onions, and a huge bell peppers, along with our ground fish, right?
Yes, guys, so we know sir, we not look out for this long time. Some people call this Easter fish, but Easter gone already, but we still keep up with the trend. So what you are going? So first we're gonna prep all of these.
Yes, guys, the carrot, the onion, the Scotch bonnet, and the bell peppers,
before
right?
we dealing with the fish. So I'm gonna set the fish aside.
Get on
with the prepping. So alright, clear up the board so we can get things done easier.
Yes, guys, and leave it down in the comment section and tell us your requests and views. As you guys can see, we always give you guys what you want, so feel free to express yourselves down there, right? So first we're gonna start with the carrots.
I'm gonna use a peeler, guys. For the first to answer this, I can't know.
Yes, guys, so we're just going to do that for the rest of them, and when we're going to julienne these, we'll come back soon forward.
Yes, guys, so this is how the strips come out.
Nice and thin, like how we want it, guys. So
we'll just put them in a pile on each other, so it's easier to julienne.
Yeah. Look at that nice thin julienne carrots. So we're gonna show you guys again for the persons who didn't catch it at first, right? Watch closely. Notice the carrot is at an angle. And that's it.
Alright, so now guys, I'll move on to the onions.
So guys, there you have it, right? So we're going to move to the onions.
Remember guys, when I deal with the onion, cut out this piece. So when you julienne the onion, they don't stick together, they separate. Oh, this doesn't have any. Like I said before guys, remove this piece, the heart of the onion.
These are some tiny onions, guys, but if you have the big ones, it doesn't really matter, right?
Guys, right now in Jamaica, the big one, them hard to find. A big small onion we have to see from the other day, so you have to work with what we have. So we want to achieve. So like catching the back, we're going to move on to the bell pepper, guys. Soon forward.
Guys, now that that's finished, time to julienne these bell peppers, right? And if you have any color bell peppers, that's fine. We just have our hands on some green at the moment, right? Guys, all these flavors, it might be burning your eye, your nostrils might be running, you know. Yes guys, that's it. That's the beauty in it, right? Look at that. Everything going in the same container, guys.
Now we move to the pepper, guys.
Scotch bonnet.
So first, we ring it.
Guys, if you cannot take the heat, wear a gloves while doing this because it might be too hot for your hands, right? And if you cannot manage, all right, this is how we're looking. And as I was saying, if you cannot manage that pepper, please to remove the seed because this is real hot, right? In again.
Alright guys, I'm going to catch a drift. We're catching the back when we are put on the pot with the vinegar and move forward.
Yes,
so don't go nowhere, we're soon forward.
So forward.
Yes guys, so
look at that bubbling, bubbling, bubbling.
Alright, so I'm gonna lock up the fire.
Oh yes, it's still hot, guys. So the steam now will do the rest of the work. The camera is a bit fogged up, but that's expected.
Add some pimento seed.
There we go, pimento seed. And we're going to add that pickle with that carrot, julienne bell pepper, and some ring Scotch bonnet pepper, along with our julienne onions. And we're going to allow this to absorb all this flavor. We're just going to let it sit there for 3 to 5 minutes. So until then, so forward. Look at all that before I go. Look at all this color combination. Look at this. Look at that, guys. Beautiful, right? Lovely.
Alright, so I'm gonna make this rest until cool down. Then we're gonna use a Skippy peanut butter container jar for all this. So right now we just make it cool down. And by cool down, you know, say all of the onion soft up a bit, the carrot soft up a bit. You don't know the tricks.
So forward, guys. Yes, guys, as you guys saw before, we have our ground fish. Yeah, so we're just going to season this with some salt and pepper here. And we have a green Scotch bonnet pepper and our garlic. These are going to be added to the oil. Alright, so let's go.
Alright, remember to season from high, guys, so it's evenly spread. And all you need for fish is just garlic, salt and pepper. Not even fish, seafood in general.
So guys, all of you guys that are using this excessive powder or this excessive seasoning, once you use your natural herbs, the seafood absorb flavor very well. So whatever you use, it will take on the flavor really good. And guys, we have our oil eating up in the back. All right,
so we're gonna repeat,
turn and repeat.
Today's a rainy day outside, guys.
So this is real good, right? So drop it down in the comment section when you're watching this video, if it is a Monday or Friday and the time that you're watching. And remember to leave your views in the comment section along with the video ideas and the videos you want, right?
Yes, guys, and this is how them do it on Easter time. Escovitch fish.
Yeah.
Not really so much of a steam fish or brown sugar, mostly escovitch, and them love scratch too for the Easter.
Yeah.
So this you can do this for our Easter next year.
Yeah, so this is a great Easter idea. So we're just going to season the inside as well. Yeah. So I'm going to get the gif. I'm going to catch in the back when we're submerging these in the hot oil. So forward. Yes, guys, they can see the oil is roaring hot. So we're just going to add the garlic along with that Scotch bonnet pepper and some pimento seed. Yes, guys, this is very aromatic and flavorful. So now we're just going to add the fish, right? And we're going to fry until golden brown.
So I'm going to see how going, guys. So the next time you see it, I'll tell you how this is turn. So it's so forward.
So forward. Yes, guys, it's time for that turn. Nice and crisp. Look at that. Beautiful. Lovely. And guys, you don't have to use ground fish. You can use snapper, parrot, whatever fish you enjoy being fried. You just escovitch it just the same. Alright, so next time you guys see us, it's removal time. So forward.
Yes, guys, it's about that time. So we're going to give this a removal. We're going to DHL this.
Yes, guys, so start dropping those comments. Notice how these are nice and crisp. That's what we want. Look at that, beautiful, right? So start dropping them comments because you guys know what time it is. It's time for the banger plating. So ready up your quick thinking and your quick fingers to spam up the comment section. Let's go. Yes, guys, it's that time. Start dropping them comments. Yes, guys. Remember to follow us on Instagram. Pictures will be posted over there. Or chef TikTok, guys. Follow. We have some good content over there, and we have a whole lot in store for you guys. Get us to 1,000 likes over there where we can start doing live. All right, look at that. Lovely, right? What you think coming now, guys? Just leave it down in the comment section and tell me what you think coming now. That pickly, guys. Yes, guys. Look at that. Coming along. Lovely, right? Beautiful. And guys, look how everything looks nice and have that. You notice now it's a bit softened up because it absorbed all of that vinegar, guys. Yes, all that goodness. Let me hear you guys in the comment section. I know I would enjoy this right now. What are your thoughts? Yes, guys. Look at that. Remember, leave your request down in the comment section and let us know what videos you want to see, and we'll definitely get it done for you guys.
Alright guys, so I'm just gonna clean up the plate and come back.
So forward. Yes, guys, so this is it. Plate all cleaned up and looking beautiful. You guys requested this, we deliver, right? So guys, I want to see 3K on this video and 1K likes. Can you guys do that for me? Yes, guys, I believe in you guys and we can achieve it. So we've come to the end of this video. Until next time, bye foodies.
Bang, bang.
Remember, guys, give us a call, DM us on Instagram. We can talk all business over there, right?